So guys, now let's start with another valuable concept in OOP, that is abstract classes. Actually, abstract classes restrict to make an object using that class. That means in earlier we saw that we created a vehicle class and we get into the main class and we vehicle equals new vehicle and created a object from that vehicle class. But when we use abstract class, we can't create object as this. So let's try on abstract class and identify what are the properties and why we need to use abstract class while we are coding. So let's first of all let's create a class as human. Okay, here a class we created as human and let's make it abstract. So human is an abstract class here, and let's make a constructor here, public abstract. We'll create a method here, void, and let's create as sound. Let's create a sound here, and you need to remember that abstract method do not have a body. In earlier we created a body as this, but you can see there's an error because making sound not abstract. If we make it the sound method as a not abstract method, then only we can create a body here. So let's remove this body part here. Now we created the abstract class as human and there's an abstract method named as sound. And let's create two more classes as men and women. So we created a class as men because we need the properties from this human to men. We need to extend it, we need to inherit it, but we can't use this human class as an object. We can't create an object from this human class, so we need to extend human to men because we can't create objects from this human class because it is an abstract class. So there's a problem. Let's view what is the problem. Implement a method. Class men must either be declared abstract or implement abstract method sound in human. So that means we need to create and override the method which was created in human class. The sound method, it was an abstract method, so in the child class we must override it. Overriding means we are writing for already declared method in a parent class. So let's write it here. Let's get don't we have a quick fix here? Can find here and override public good. Can see there was a quick fix here. You can click in this bulb and implement the method. Okay, so there was the method public void sound. It is abstract method. The abstract keyword is used in the parent class. When it comes to child class, we just override it. So let's give it as, this is men, so let's give it as haha. So the sound is haha for men. let's create another class as woman, and let's make the woman sound in that. So we have created this one. Also we need to extend human class for this one also. This one also we can implement a method as human, and let's give the sound for this one as he. Okay. So haha for men and he for woman. And let's move into our main class. We know then now we can't create objects from this human class, but we can create objects from these men and women classes. For use the classes in this main method, we need to create objects. So let's create the objects as men equals simple men equals new men. By using men, we can use the method sound, and we can use woman here. Use woman equals new capital woman for the class, and let's use this woman instance and sound method. So let's run this one and see whether we can get the outputs here. You can see the men output is haha and women output is he. So that's what we call abstract class. So if we need some class, at some moments we need a class. If we make an object of a class, we have the all access for that class. Sometimes we need a classes. The features of that class must be implemented by others, but the things that included in this class are not given to others. The control is not given to others. At that moment, we need these abstract classes. We can extend those classes and use them using another instance, but actually we can't change the things in this human class. At this one, the haha was created in men class, not in human class. The he was created in woman class, not in human class. So the things that we displayed are not from human class. They are just inherited the method, but the sounds were generated in other classes. So that's why we need an abstract class.